Hello, MyPath EDU. This is your introduction to the Clevertouch systems. These are the newer systems that we're beginning to roll out across all of the schools. And the goal is that over the next several years, as the older Epson systems life cycle out, they'll be replaced with a flat panel system just like this one. This is a Clevertouch Generation 2. It's the very latest one, so this is being recorded in March of 2022, and this is one of the first ones that we have installed. And we want to talk a little bit about why these systems. So these have got a lot of newer technology packed into them right in this panel that the older Smart and Epson systems don't have. Number one, sound reinforcement. It's got a decent sound system with an amplifier and a subwoofer under here, all built into this system, all in one package. No need to retrofit or add additional speakers. It also has wireless teaching technologies built into it. It supports Apple's AirPlay that we've been mentioning in these videos that allows you to take an iPad or a Mac laptop and stream directly to this device. And actually, these actually support Chromecast as well. So you can wirelessly broadcast a teacher-issued or staff-issued Chromebook directly to this as well. Has to be, though, a staff-issued Chromebook that's on the teacher Wi-Fi network. So all that's built into these packages, plus it's a 4K display. Really, really sharp, very clear display for you to use and still have the same touch interface going on. So in this introduction, we need to talk a little bit about some security features and features you need to set up to work with the wireless broadcasting and wireless teaching technologies. So, tap one of the side arrows, go to Apps, and once you're on the App selector, you need to go to Clevershare. Clevershare is their name for getting to the wireless connectivity. Once you are on Clevershare, here's where you need to go. With Clevershare up, tap the menu button in the lower left corner, and you want to go to Settings. Once you're in Settings, these should be preset for you, but check a couple of things. Device name, very important. That's how it's going to appear on your device when you go looking for it over the network. And this one right here says Clevershare, and I'm in room 117, and so it should have 117 at the end of it. So it's just Clevershare, and then your room number at the end. Allow this device to be discovered. Must be turned on. If it's not on, you can't see it over the network. Then connection password. Right now, we are presetting these to password-free connection. You can change that if you want. Right now, what that means is another device can see your Clevershare, can try to connect to it, although you will get, the first time you try to connect, you will get a prompt in the lower right to say, do you want to accept this connection? So in the case of your Mac laptops, first time you do it, you have to click accept. After that, the Clevershare will remember that Mac laptop and you should just be able to instantly connect. Start automatically on boot. Yep, we want this every time you turn your Clevershare on, we want this to be running in the background. Code refresh rate. As long as you're in a password-free connection, this isn't that important. But if you change this and you do enable a connection password, how often do you want that password to rotate? So again, on password-free mode, it doesn't really matter. But if you want this code to rotate, you can go to 10 minutes. I would suggest if you do start using these codes, put it to 30 or 60 minutes so it doesn't change that quickly, or maybe even never. All right, that's totally up to you. Then, other important settings, again, should be preset for you. Scroll. Advanced code mode is disabled this time. If you really want to get picky about security and other devices are connecting to your panel, turn on advanced code mode, and it's going to give you an 8-digit passcode, a mix of letters and numbers that you have to use to connect to this panel. That will increase your security if you want to do that, but it can become a hassle teaching day to day. Non-client mirroring, down here. Chromecast, yep, I'd recommend turning it on. That allows Chromebooks to connect, and then support for AirPlay devices absolutely has to be on. This is Apple's protocol for both your Mac and an iPad. Support for AirPlay device must be on. All right, that's your settings, and once you have that, watch the rest of the videos. You should be able to connect wirelessly to your Clevertouch system.